Alright, that's my bike. Starting up here, these are ODI long neck grips. Stretch a little. Animal plastic bar ends. The bars are Fly Panteras. They're 8.35 tall, and I cut them to 28 inches wide. The stem is a United stock, but I like it. I don't know why. The forks are Sputnik Spectrums, and the front wheel is a Sputnik Spectrum hub laced to a Sputnik forward rim with two G-Sport blamed hub guards and two stolen chromoly pegs. And the front tire is a Fit FAF 2.25 white wall.
Fast as fuck.
As you can see, since it's 2.25, it's a lot more knobbier. My seat is the King Sean Sexton signature. I like it, and it's a Primo post. The thing is integrated, so down here, these are like stock 48 spline cranks, but I like them. These are premium slim pedals and a stolen bottom bracket, and the sprocket is a Sabrosa Skeleton Crew, and I actually like it a lot, kinda, I guess. And the chain is just a regular KMC. My back wheel is actually, it's a Poverty hub laced to some random double wall rim. It's actually from a Haro conversion kit, but it's holding up really good, and it sounds pretty good.
Good hub guard built in, but you're not supposed to do that.
It sounds pretty good, like I said. The tire is a 2.3 Fit FAF white wall.
Good clearance.
And again, two stolen chromoly pegs. And that's my bike, pretty much.